is it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mid-Alabama Basketball. Move, dog. Okay. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, I am excited. So, today we hit 100 subscribers. Actually, we are past 100 subscribers. God, that light is very bright. But, we are at 106 subs. So, you guys know what that means. I'm checking the mail. You guys know what that means. That means I'm doing two things. Number one, let's go ahead and explain the first thing. So, I am going to be doing some merch giveaways. So you got... What are you doing? Okay, but pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the merch giveaway is I've made two logos. And what I'm going to do is make some long sleeve, maybe short sleeve dry fit t-shirts with these logos, and maybe even make some hats. And I'm going to be giving them away. So put down in the comments below if you want the merch, and yeah, I'll put you inside of a drawing that we'll do. And whenever I do pick you, all you have to do is go to my email in the link in the description, which I'll put down below, and you can give me your address and I'll send it to you. Alright, but it won't be very soon, because I have a little while to make the merch and stuff, but just be sure to stay tuned for it, because it will be soon. Alright, second thing, today I'm going to be reacting to some of my videos. I'm outside because I'm trying to check the mail. I was going to go ahead and do a quick vlog real quick. But yeah, I'm going to be reacting to some of my old videos. I don't have a lot of old videos, but you can definitely tell a difference in my voice change and everything. But let's get into these cringy videos. Alright, everybody, so I've gone to my channel, and as you can see right here, 106 subs. Let's start off with our very first video. This one's not as cringy because I never talked. This was my first time editing too, which is pretty amazing. This is like right here was where I started really getting into fishing, which I've always fished my whole life, but this is where it all started. Got the duckets. Great editing, bro. For a first video, it's not bad editing. Not much talking, but you know, it's not as cringy. Some of them that we start getting into will. Just it amazes me how this whole channel started was from that video. I mean, oh, whoa. Okay, we're back. My bad, didn't mean to do that. We'll go on to another video. I don't know what to do next. I know this one's gonna be. This one right here is going to be very cringy. I'm gonna know that for sure. Guys, listen to this kid's voice right here. Listen to this little baby. Listen to how much he grew.
No. Guys, welcome back to another episode of I wanted to show y'all my rod arsenal.
Oh, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I had a request by one of my friends. He asked me if I would
No.
arsenal, so I decided to do that today. So let's get to it.
I don't know why my GoPro was filming such blue stuff.
So here we are.
That was my old room, by the way. I don't know if you guys could see the difference. I'm pretty sure y'all have, but my room's like gray now, and the furniture's changed.
Alright, let's start off. First, I have a Ducket Meat Ghost, 7-foot medium heavy, and on
Great size
that
too,
is
by the way.
a
Couldn't wear no shoes that day.
Pro Max wheel, a 7:1:1 gear ratio.
I knew my stuff back
and
then.
I have 12-pound trilene line.
Still sticking with trilene to this day. That is.
To use for
I mean, I get that stuff
whenever
from
I'm
Walmart.
shaky
That
head
line is
fishing.
strong. To be honest, it really
That
is.
rod, you could fish anything on it, really. You could go from square bills, shaky head.
Look, I ain't got no
Texas
braces,
rig,
guys.
Spinner baits. Let's see, what else?
I got 9 likes on that video.
7'3".
Oh dang! I even
heavy.
remember. I used to like
And
my
it has
own
a
videos too.
silver.
Oh no! Look, this was the first celebration of how many subs I got, guys. So I gotten 10 subs in this video. That's what made it really cringy.
Ladies and gentlemen. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mid-Alabama Bassin'. And as you can tell from the start of the video, yes, we got to 10 subscribers. We did awesome. Thank you guys so much for giving me
Good job, bro. You got a 10
Next month
subs.
we'll be up to 20 subscribers.
Good job.
But for right now,
I'm proud of you.
I made you guys something, and we're gonna do a bunch of cool stuff. I'm gonna do the ice bucket challenge, and that is
We never done the
also
ice bucket
gonna be
challenge.
done for cancer for the ice bucket challenge, and also gummy worm fishing challenge is gonna be coming up in the spring.
We tried the gummy
But
worm
right
fishing
now, I
challenge,
made you guys
but
something. So watch this.
it didn't go
fishing
well.
montage.
Let's just say we didn't catch any fish.
17 through 18.
I had a couple bites, but like
Basically,
it was
me
bed
doing
fishing
videos from
season,
start to
so
finish.
I was flipping on their beds and stuff.
No!
Can't help but make fun of myself here. See, I don't know why my GoPro recorder is very blue. I grew up a lot then. That was like 2018. That was the first fish of 2018. I remember that. Not bad, kid. Good editing. Good editing. What was a really cringy one? Alright, yeah. This one ain't really cringy, but it's funny.
That's a really cool fact. Crazy. Alright guys, we're leaving the lake now. Did enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see some more bass fishing me to do any future videos just like this. Let me know down there in the comments below. And this fish at least weighs 9 or 10 pounds. It's a really big fish, guys. It's
No, that's kind of weird. Did it not look like I was expecting to hit it? I honestly wasn't expecting to hit it, but oh crap! It honestly didn't look like I was expecting. Like I wasn't trying to hit it, but it looked like I was expecting to. It just said, I don't know. I don't even know why I have my drawer open.
my arm on the drawer. Did enjoy this. Please leave a like. Actually, before you leave,
Did we ever
I'm gonna
even
go
post
home
that video?
and I'll show you guys how to rig up some of this stuff. Some of it's pretty basic. But yeah, let's get to the house.
That's my buddy from school. He's actually one of my subs. Shout out to Ashton. Great kid. By the way, if y'all are wondering why we were doing this in school, weird project. to show you guys that y'all are going to laugh at. This was by far one of my cringiest videos of all time. I tried to make it funny. Turned out to be funny, turned out to be stupid.
Welcome back to another episode of Mid-Alabama Bassing. And today, we are going to talk about things
that you are
going to need as a bass fisherman.
I forgot.
So, let's get into that.
Old intro, man. I miss that intro. I miss it. I do, for real. That was a good intro. That was a decent intro. Unless you guys have seen mine already.
Alright, so the first thing that you will need is either a pair of scissors or a knife. You don't have to go for the most top brand knife. I mean, literally, you could just buy a pair of scissors. I mean, these are school scissors. I mean, you don't really
I forgot about nail clippers, too.
Like, super pricey. Just something really cheap.
It's about to get funny, guys.
Some scissors I got from Walmart. They're school scissors. Football colored. Yeah. But, yeah, you'll need some scissors. You're going to want to cut your line and cut the tag
Look,
in.
I don't know. Why did I do
You're
this?
done tying a knot. As you guys can see right there, you need a pair of glasses. Right. As I'm done goofing off, alright, you'll need these glasses.
You need a pair of glasses.
Some polarized glasses. So you can see in the water, plus to keep the sun out of your eyes and keep that from burning and hurting your eyes. Also, you'll need polarized glasses to see bass on beds during the spring, or if you want to do some sight fishing, get some polarized glasses to see in the water, baby. On to the next thing you'll need. Some fishing line.
Wow.
Yep. So y'all are gonna need some fishing line. Any
just one
line. Don't get like 2 pound.
Oh my
line,
lord.
I mean,
I don't know what I was thinking back then.
But yeah, I suggest either about 6 pound or up, unless you're really trying to do like.
That one's not really old.
Like if the bass are really finicky and they don't want to bite, just use 4 pound. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, I like to use tri-line.
I was kind of chubby back then.
I mean, again, choose what brand you want. I just like to use tri-line.
Still use it today.
Yeah. So why are you gonna buy a line if you ain't got line?
Line.
Or a little bit more money than you could spend money. But
Lord,
again,
I can't watch this no more. I keep accidentally pressing the trash button.
To put your reel on.
That was I still got that rod, and
now,
that was a cool combo. I guess we can watch this. Oh Lord, hold on. Before we start this, guys, I want you to look at that right down there where it says Hunter Hammonds and it says awesome content. This guy is my best friend. He is one of my bestest friends, just like I told you about the other kid in the last video, Ashton. He told me he was going to be so nice that he would like every video and put a comment on every video saying a good comment and putting likes. Straight up, I swear, he put a like on every video and a comment. I'll show you that right now.